How to get approved for monetization on Newsbreak. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So let's discuss on how you can get approved for monetization on Newsbreak. So here's what you need to do. First of all, you must be located in the United States and you need to write at least 10 original articles and make sure that they follow the Newsbreak rules for content. Get at least 100 followers on Newsbreak and follow the Newsbreak's community standards and contributor code of conduct. Also set up Tipalti. Create an account with the Tipalti. Newsbreak's payment system, you will need to provide your tax and payment details, apply and wait for approval. The review can take up to 30 to 45 days, and you will earn money from articles, videos published after your approval date. You can track your earnings and eligible contents in your contributor portal as well, and payments will be sent through Tipalti, usually by the second week of the following month. So that's it for the video. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.